Hi everyone. Okay, like everybody else, I'm sure, we all took advantage of the Spellbinders sale, right? So let's see what I got. All I did was open it. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness, I don't even know what I got. But if you know anything about the Spellbinders sale, it was completely like $1, $2, $3, $4, and $5. Some items were 10, so it was a really great deal. I don't know if it's still going on or not, but these are egg crates. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to do something with these. I don't know what yet, but I know I can figure out something. So, and I think they were like $1 or so. Then they had this ribbon. And let me see if I can open some things, because that way there's no real glare on it. So they had gingham ribbon and it was Tangerine Fusion gingham ribbon. And let's see, then she had these Jane Davenport fine line bottles, which I thought were amazing, because I have a lot of Barely Art glue, because you know when you get the big big bear, and so I had enough glue to fill these too, so I'm gonna do that. And let's see. Oh, so I got matchmaker set. Hold on, I got a cough or choke. Matte finish. I don't talk to anybody, so when I start talking, I'm like, my throat doesn't know what to do, because it's like it's not used to forming words with people. So this is a paint. This is paint, face base. I guess it's like colors of your skin, maybe. I don't know. That's good. I don't know, but yeah, I got it. I figured I'll see what I can do. I'll play with something, right? Aqua pastels probably. So I got this one. I don't know. Yeah, I have the shipping label, but there's no prices on there, so I can't tell you prices, guys. Oh, so I got 2 bottles of those. But I'll tell you what, I didn't spend more than $100, so I got all of this, and it was less than 100. I got stuck on my ring. And we have Jane Davenport Cool Oceans Glitz Sea Sparkle Markers. So sparkle markers. Everyone needs markers. And we have Sour Lemon and Beach Ball, which I'm pretty sure I already have these, but they were 99 cents. So I figured, well, maybe I can do something for the creative event we're having, and I can have them as like something as a make and take and use them that way. I got this ribbon because of our creative event is bee themed. It's a bee theme, so I got the lemon drop. So I want to decorate tables and stuff, so I got that one, and then I got the black one. So these are all for the table. These were $2, if I remember correctly. These were $2, and you got 20 yards and 20 yards. So perfect. And I got this one too, because I wasn't sure which yellow I wanted more of, but this is a banana cream. It's totally making me want banana cream pie. Gosh, PMS, you guys. It's a killer. So banana cream pie. And let's see, is there anything else that's not wrapped? Let's see. Ooh, I got something big. Something big. Let's see. Wow, that was loud. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's a contour steel rule die, and it is like a purse. It's a purse. This is massive, you guys. I don't know if I made a wise decision about this one, because that is massive. I think it was $10 too. But it's a massive die, but it's actually little. But I like the steel, but I'll tell you what, I like the steel rule dies because of you can cut through leather and fabric and all that stuff with those. So it's fine. I'll figure out what to do with it. But that'll probably be like a make and take I do at the event, because, I mean, what else am I going to do with that? And I got tag clips. I love their flowers. And I always get these because they're amazing. And, oh, I love these. The vintage bursts. I got 2 of those. I think they were $1, if not 2. And let's see. I know I got more dies. So they package it really well, that's for sure. So, let's see if I don't cut anything off. Oh, I got these little spools. I love these little spools. Did I get more than one? Yeah, I know, I thought I did. I thought they were the cutest things, and they can be used as drawer pulls. I'm having problems with my D's and R's right now, guys. But they're tiny. They're tiny, tiny. So fun. They're mini wooden spools. And I got more teeny tiny brads, and these are brights. So more brads. Like I need more brads, but they were $1. And then this one is Be Sweet brads. It's the same. This one, they don't. Be Brights, Be Sweet. Okay, there we go. Be Bright, Be Sweet. And one more of the Be Natural. Be Natural. And now we get to the good stuff. Whoop, whoop. Dropping stuff, you guys. Okay, oh, look at this. Oh, so I love this lady's, it's Susan Tierney. I think it's Cockburn, and she just has amazing flower stuff. So this is gonna be fun, but look at how little it is. But I was like, oh, I need that. A note pocket. I believe I already own this. I don't know. And a chubby stocking. I may already own this too. I'm not sure. And now I gotta go look. Journey Bloom Flowers. Did I get the stamp set that goes with that? Oh gosh, you guys. Maybe I should stop shopping. Honestly. I think I just need to stop shopping. Yeah, I only got the bloom flowers. I think this coordinates with the stamp. Yeah. Okay, that's no problem. Let's see. Grand Cinch and Go Flowers. Look at how beautiful this one's going to be. I'm not sure if you can see. Let's see. Isn't that pretty? Oh, this is going to be fun. Oh, look at, there it is. Beautiful. That's also the, oh no, this is Amazing Paper Grace. Oh yeah, this is Amazing Paper Grace, APG. And I got the cookie by Tina Smith. They actually had they actually had the cookies on clearance, and they had the books on clearance, and I thought, oh, okay, well thank gosh I didn't pay full price for them, because that's what I was going to do when it first came out, because I loved everyone's designs, but then I didn't, and I put $3, hello, okay, so I got that, but I was shocked that it was on clearance, or on sale. It's not, I don't think it's clearance, I think it's sale. And Spellbinders Labels 22, I didn't have this set, so I was like, okay. And then this one is Create a Kinetic Card, Amazing Paper Grace. It's like a waterfall card, but like sideways. I think you can do any sideways, upways, whatever. It's a waterfall card. It's called a Christmas Cascade card base, but yeah, you can do it for whatever. So I didn't have that, but that's what that die looks like. I didn't show you guys the cookies, the box. Okay, and then we have, oh, look at this one. So nice. This is also the Susan Tierney Cockburn lady. Ooh, so fun. That's what I decided I was going to do with some flowers again at my creative retreat, because I'm like, this stuff is tedious, and I'm like fiddly stuff, and that's what I prefer to do at the retreats is fiddly stuff, because it helps me get stuff done and playing with my stuff. This one is a neat. So I got most of the flowers. This, what is this? This is a triangle treat die set. Yeah, I don't know what it is actually. So I have to look at samples. I don't know what it is. And there's no sample on the back. So I'll have to look into it. Alright guys, that was it from Spellbinders. All of this for less than $100. That was pretty good. Alright, we'll see y'all later. Bye.